Hey everyone! In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 tips for skipping those pesky school restrictions on Chromebooks. First, let's discuss the common limitations schools implement on these devices that can be quite frustrating. Tip number 1 is to utilize web-based services. These tools can often replace installed apps that are restricted. For our second tip, let's talk about Chrome extensions. These can be a game changer for accessing restricted content. Thirdly, using VPNs and proxies can help you bypass school firewalls and access blocked sites effortlessly. Tip 4 is all about using guest mode. This allows access to different settings and the chance to explore freely. Finally, consider installing alternative browsers like Firefox or Opera. They might have different access capabilities that could be useful. In conclusion, we've covered some effective tips to enhance your Chromebook experience. Remember, use this knowledge responsibly and for educational purposes.